Hello friends, welcome to this chapter. In this chapter, we will learn about general things which we need to consider while designing a CCTV system. Purpose of CCTV system. As a CCTV designer, we must always ask the customer about the requirement and what is their purpose of installing CCTV system. Is it to prevent vandalism, theft, employee theft, or litigation? This information will help us to select the cameras and their placement also. And for specific requirements, it also helps us to determine about the specific frame rate and resolution required to achieve. For example, a camera installed in a staircase will have a different frame rate and resolution as compared to a camera installed at a cash counter of a bank or shop, which requires higher frame rate and higher resolution. And similarly, if a customer wants to know the vehicle license plate number, then a special type of NPR camera is required to fulfill this requirement. So, a CCTV system designer must ensure that all the customer requirements are noted down and provides a solution according to that. Important areas for surveillance. This is the most start point and every CCTV designer should have this information from the customer. To monitor and record the footage of this critical or highly sensitive area, additional cameras should be installed so that there should be no blind spot. Environmental condition also needs to be taken care of. If this area is an outdoor area with low light during night time, then camera with night vision capability should be installed. Existing CCTV system availability. If a customer has already a CCTV system available, we should be clear about following points. Is the existing CCTV system is an analog or IP CCTV system? This will help a CCTV system designer to select new CCTV system type, whether it should be an analog or IP based system. Second, do customer want to remove the whole existing CCTV system or wants to add few cameras to the existing CCTV system? Next point is do customer prefers to use the existing cabling infrastructure with the new CCTV cameras or NVRs. Many times customer wants to use their existing cabling infrastructure, but as a CCTV system designer, we must ensure that the existing cabling infrastructure meets our new CCTV system requirements and the existing cabling is under good condition. Next point, if customer wants to add few cameras to the existing CCTV system, we must ask the customer about the recording duration required, as most of the cases additional hard disk drives will be required. And the last point is, and if the customer wants to add more IP cameras to the existing IP based system, we must ensure that the new IP camera should be compatible with the existing IP CCTV system. Nowadays, all the IP camera supports on-with protocol, but still we must ensure that the new IP camera on-with protocol supports the existing CCTV system and we are able to get all the required features as mentioned by the customer. These are the few points and you can also add your points also while designing a CCTV system. Number of rooms or areas required for surveillance. This will help us to get the total number of cameras, switches and storage calculations. This plays a very critical role while designing a CCTV system. Every CCTV system designer should have this information. Location of CCTV recording server or control room. As a CCTV system designer, one must have this information and let customer also aware that NVR or recording storage server must always kept in a secure place so that an intruder should not easily tamper with the CCTV system. In case of large organization or business areas, there may be a requirement of the CCTV control room where a dedicated CCTV operator monitors the entire premises via CCTV cameras and takes preventive actions upon finding any security related issues. We must ensure that the CCTV control room is properly designed, like control room should be enough big to accommodate CCTV hardware such as monitors, workstations, servers or recorders, etc. Control room should be well air conditioned as there are CCTV electronic equipments which will operate 24/7 hours. Distance between CCTV monitors on the wall and the operator's desk should be at least 8 feet and the viewing angle should be 30 degrees. Control room CCTV operator should have all the locations blueprint layout, and if possible CCTV camera should be programmed on this map layout. This will help an operator to navigate the CCTV cameras. Use of advanced designing tool. There are many CCTV system design tools available online in the market which helps a CCTV system designer to design and choose the camera as per the site requirement. From this tool you can calculate field of view, lens focal length, CCTV storage and bandwidth calculations, resolutions, coverage area, etc. These reports can be generated in PDF, Word or Excel format to create a high quality project visualization.